Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your video from here to here. I am using only one light to light my face and it is making everything flat, and then everything else I'm doing in DaVinci Resolve free version. So let me just show you how I do it in DaVinci Resolve. So I have opened DaVinci Resolve and I will create a new timeline by coming here, clicking on create new timeline, and then I will untick this part. I will go on format so I can change the resolution of my timeline to UHD. There you go, and I will create it. I'm done with creating my timeline. Let me import the video. So I will come here, right click, and then import media, and this is the video which I want to work with. I will import this video here. I will go to my color page. I will go on a proper good frame, which is like somewhere here. Let's say this is a very good frame. Now I will do the color management first, and then I will do the color grade. So what do I mean by color management? Color management is converting your video from what your camera saw to what your display will see, like your phones and your computer, laptops and everything where you will upload it. So to do that, you will have to create two nodes. One is gonna be input node and the other one is gonna be output node. On the input node, for me, I work with AC's color space, and to do the proper transform, I will come on effects, and on my first node I will come here on AC's transform, click on this and drag and drop on my first node. After that I will come here on my input transform. My camera is Sony FX30 and it is shooting in S-Log3 SCamera3.cine, so I will look for that, which is gonna be somewhere here. There you go, Sony S-Log3 SCamera3.cine. I will click on this and my video is looking weird now. Don't worry, we will fix it. On the output transform, I will go down and I will convert it to ACCCT. And now we are done with our input transform. Let me do the output transform now. So to do that, I will create one more node and I will come on AC's transform again, drag and drop it. I will drag it a bit here, and then on the input it's gonna be ACCCT, because we know that we converted it from S-Log3 to ACCCT. So our input, which is coming from here to here, is ACCCT. There you go, this is ACCCT. Click on it, and then output is gonna be Rex 709 BT 1886. Our video is converted from S-Log3 to ACCCT and then Rex 709, and we know that this is how our video will be looking when we will see it on our phone or on our PC. So we are done with color management. Let me show you how we can color grade it now. So I will come on my first node and create a node after that, so everything happens between input and output node. So as you can see, my video is looking very flat. So to make a bit of contrast, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a window here. So I will click on mask window, and on this round one I will click and I will drag and drop it on my face, make it a bit bigger like this and a bit wide. And I will come here on softness and increase it all the way till the outer circle goes out of my video. There you go. Now I will come here and invert the mask and go to HDR, and in HDR what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on global exposure and I will make it down. Now we have created a bit of contrast between me and the background, which is good, and if I enable and disable, you can see how it was before and how it is now. After this I will create outside node on this. So to do that I will click on this node, I will come here on add node and I will say add outside. What it's gonna do is it's gonna be the opposite of the node before. So we had a mask out and now it's gonna affect the internal part, so this part will be affected. I will come here and I will bring the exposure up, so my face is a bit popped now. So if I enable and disable, you can see what we did a bit of more light on our face. Now after this node I will create one more serial node by option S, and on this one what I am gonna do is I'm gonna add a bit of contrast so my video looks sharper, and then you can see on my face there are some details which I don't want. So I will come on mid-tone details and I will decrease it so my face looks softer. So if I enable and disable it, you see what we did on this one, which is very good. And after that comes the cool part where I have to add the redness on this part, so it's having a bluish and redness side. So to do that I will create one more node, and on this node what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna grab my pen tool and I will just simply come here and draw a mask outside my face, and I will increase the softness to 50, let's say And after I'm done with my mask, I will come on my wheels and I will go to offset, and in the offset I will increase the red. We added the color but we want it to be a bit darker red, so to do that I will come here on this slider and I will decrease it. Now if I show you what we did, so I will enable and disable it. You can see we made it look a bit different. Now let me show you before and after. So if I come here and select all and then I press Command D, this is where we started and this is where we are, which is a very colorful and very contrasty image from a flat video. Now most of the time when we see it on our PC, it looks very good, crispy and contrasty video, but when we take it on our phone and see it on our phones, it looks a bit low contrast. So to deal with that issue, I have created one more video in which I am showing how you can use your phone as a monitor on the same time when you are editing, so you can really see how it will look after on your phone. Otherwise when you will export it and upload it on YouTube and you will see it on your phone, it will look low contrast and you will say this is not how it looked on my PC. So to resolve that issue, I would highly recommend you to watch this video so you can see your video on the phone when you are editing and you don't face that problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this.